Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on something that completely changed my financial life. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme or a risky bet. It's a simple, powerful tool that Wall Street insiders have used for decades, but often don't talk about publicly. This is my secret weapon for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Are you ready? So, what is this magic bullet? It's something called an index fund. Now hold on. Before you click away thinking this is going to be a boring finance lecture, give me 2 minutes. I promise to break this down in a way that's super simple, engaging, and could genuinely set you on a path to a more secure financial future. This isn't about complex charts or jargon. It's about a straightforward strategy anyone can use. Imagine you want to bet on the entire U.S. economy. Instead of trying to pick the one company you think will do the best, like trying to find a needle in a haystack, what if you could just own a tiny piece of all the biggest and most successful companies at once? That's exactly what an index fund does. For example, an S&P 500 index fund lets you own a small slice of the 500 largest companies in the U.S. When they grow, your investment grows. You're not betting on one horse, you're betting on the entire race. Now, you might be thinking, why not just hire a professional to pick the best stocks for me? That sounds logical, right? But here's the crazy part. Study after study shows that the vast majority of highly paid professional fund managers fail to beat the market over the long term. They charge you high fees for their expertise, yet most of them can't even keep up with a simple, low-cost index fund. It's like paying a celebrity chef a fortune for a meal that's not as good as a simple, delicious homemade pizza. Why pay more for less? Let's talk about the two superpowers of index funds: low costs and diversification. First, costs. Because index funds are automated to simply track a market index, they don't need expensive teams of analysts. This means the fees are incredibly low. Those fees might seem small, but over decades, they can eat up a massive chunk of your returns. Keeping costs low is one of the single most important things you can do to maximize your wealth. It's the silent killer of investment growth, and index funds help you avoid it. The second superpower is diversification. When you own an index fund, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one company in the index has a bad year, it's balanced out by the hundreds of others that are doing well. This automatically reduces your risk. It's the ultimate safety in numbers strategy. You're protected from the dramatic ups and downs of single stocks, giving you a much smoother and less stressful investment journey. This is how you sleep well at night, even when the market gets a little shaky. The real magic happens when you combine index fund investing with time. This is where the concept of compound interest comes into play. It's what Albert Einstein supposedly called the eighth wonder of the world. It's your money making money, and then that new money making even more money. It creates a snowball effect. By consistently investing in a low-cost index fund and just letting it sit and grow for years, even decades, you allow compounding to work its incredible magic. A small, regular investment today can grow into a surprisingly large sum over time, all without you having to do much work at all. So, how do you actually get started? It's easier than you think. You can open an account with a reputable brokerage firm. Think companies like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Once your account is open, you can search for a broad market index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500 or the total stock market. You can start with a small amount and set up automatic monthly contributions. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is perfect. It takes the emotion out of investing and automates your path to building wealth. Look, the journey to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And index funds are like the most reliable, comfortable, and efficient running shoes you can wear for that marathon. They provide a simple, proven, and low-stress path to building long-term wealth. It is the strategy I personally use and the one I recommend to my closest friends and family. It's not flashy, but it is powerful. It's about playing the long game and letting the market work for you, not against you. This isn't about timing the market or becoming a day trading genius. It's about time in the market. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Stop letting complexity and fear hold you back from building the future you deserve. Take this first simple step. You have the power to change your financial destiny, and it might just start with understanding this one simple concept. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this demystified the world of index funds for you. If you found this helpful and want more straightforward tips on building wealth, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's next. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.